Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop as my main system for both competitive gaming and intensive development work for the past few weeks, and I want to share a thorough, hands-on review of what it is actually like to live with this massive machine every single day. When you look at an 18-inch laptop with this level of top-tier specifications, you expect absolute perfection, and for the most part, this machine delivers an mind-blowing experience, though there are a few important details you should know before buying. Let us start with the heart of this beast, which is the Intel Ultra 9275HX processor. This chip is an absolute monster with 24 cores and 24 threads, and when you combine that raw processing power with a staggering 64 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 RAM, the performance is simply breathtaking. In my daily workflow, I routinely run multiple virtual machines, compile large codebases, and keep dozens of memory-heavy browser tabs open simultaneously, and this laptop does not even hesitate. The built-in AI Boost neural processing unit adds a layer of efficiency to background tasks and modern software features, making the entire operating system feel incredibly responsive. Boot times on Windows 11 Pro are practically instantaneous thanks to the massive 4TB high-speed solid-state drive, which gives you more than enough room to keep an enormous library of modern games and huge media projects installed all at the same time without ever worrying about disk space. The graphics performance is handled by the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which utilizes the Blackwell architecture and comes with 8 GB of next-generation GDDR7 high-speed memory. While the RTX 5060 is traditionally considered a mid-range card, the architectural improvements and the implementation of advanced features like DLSS 4 make it feel much more capable. In modern AAA titles, I am getting remarkably high and stable frame rates. Ray tracing effects look stunningly crisp, and the card handles rendering pipelines beautifully. It is a highly cost-effective option that balances raw power with thermal efficiency, ensuring you do not get severe performance drops during long, intense gaming sessions. Everything you do on this laptop is elevated by the gorgeous 18-inch Nebula Display. Running at a 2.5K resolution with a blistering 240Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time, this screen is an absolute masterpiece. The extra screen real estate you get from an 18-inch panel completely changes how immersive games feel, and it provides a massive advantage in fast-paced competitive shooters where every single millisecond and pixel matters. The colors are incredibly vibrant, the contrast is deep, and the motion clarity is so fluid that it makes standard 60Hz or even 144Hz screens look choppy by comparison. It also makes multitasking a breeze because you can easily snap 2 or 3 windows side by side without things feeling cramped. Of course, a massive 18-inch laptop like this comes with physical trade-offs. This is not a device you easily throw into a standard backpack to carry around a coffee shop all day. It is a heavy, robust machine designed to be a true desktop replacement that you occasionally transport. The advanced cooling system does a fantastic job of keeping the Intel Ultra 9 and RTX 5060 from thermal throttling, drawing heat away from the keyboard area so your hands stay comfortable. However, when you push the hardware to its absolute limit in performance mode, the fans do spin up with a noticeable rush of air, so using a good gaming headset is recommended for maximum immersion. On the positive side, the fast charging capability means you can top up the large battery quickly when you are moving between outlets. The inclusion of a lifetime license for Microsoft Office right out of the box is a fantastic bonus that saves you from annoying yearly subscription fees, making this laptop ready for serious productivity immediately. Windows 11 Pro works seamlessly with the integrated Copilot AI features, allowing you to quickly get answers, summarize documents, and streamline your daily routine. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a premium powerhouse that bridges the gap between an elite gaming rig and a heavy-duty professional workstation. It pairs an incredible display and a top-tier processor with massive storage and memory configurations that will easily remain relevant for years to come. If you are looking for an uncompromising desktop replacement that can handle demanding games, complex rendering, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat, this laptop is an outstanding investment.